If your follow-up feels like pestering, it probably is. If your follow-up feels a little awkward, it's probably because it is. Let's be real. Most follow-ups feel like nudges, reminders, a thinly disguised, hey, are you going to buy? But people don't respond to pressure. They respond to presence. I stopped saying follow-up years ago. It's like chasing people. Now I simply reconnect with care and with heart. A message like, hey, Michael, I've been thinking about our chat. I'm still here if you need me. It's simple, it's kind, it's caring, and no darn pressure. So forget about warming up leads. That's rubbish. How about you warm up some hearts instead? Genuine curiosity beats clever copy every single time. If someone said no or not yet, it's not a closed door. But there's no need to push the door either. It's simply an invitation to give them more clarity. And it's also an invitation for you to keep showing up if you are genuine. And you do it with respect. Here are 3 phrases to remember. Sales happen in the space between your presence and their permission. Think about that. Second, following up is just a darn transaction. Following through is a relationship. And finally, real follow-up sends a message to your prospect. I'm still here. I'm still listening. And I'm still human. Talk to you soon.